It's kind of difficult to eat, though. But how would you rate that?
I think I need to try also the grape,
The
like
grape?
the shiny muscat. Because all of them taste really different.
For me, my favorite one so far is the strawberry.
For me, the tangerine.
Okay.
The stick is so long. Oh, my scarf. Wait.
How much would you give?
8.5.
I'll give them a 9 just because it was juicy. But eating it,
It's really
it got
messy. It's
my
really
scarf.
messy. That's what I didn't like.
Yeah, that's the only thing. Like we needed.
Yeah, a lot of napkins.
Thank you. But yeah, I think it was a really great experience. Oh, and